Hey guys, Dream Reaver 23 here, and today I'm going to do a quick little video brought up by a question asked by Oleg on the channel. He was bringing out that the flashing red light for the gear change indicator was really annoying, and asking if you can turn it off. So I did want to go through and do a quick small tutorial on how to adjust the rev settings for the gear change. So over here you have your mode button. Generally, if you go through and you click the button, it will go through your different displays here on the analog system. If you get back to the odometer here and you actually hold the button down for a few seconds, it will change and get you into this menu. And in here, you're actually able to hold the gear, set gear shift, and if you hold the mode button down again, it can actually go through and set where the gear change happens. And then clicking the mode button will actually go through and increase it by 100 each time. Now, there is no way to go and just turn it off altogether. However, the rev limiter for these bikes is 7,200 RPMs. So if you actually go through and change it up, you can actually bring it all the way up to, let's just say you want to have it at 7,000 RPMs. So that way, right before it goes to the rev limiter, it flashes. And then holding it down, we'll go through and save that. And then going back into it, whenever it loads up this next time, if we go back into the gear set by holding down the mode button and holding it down again, it's set at 7,000. So that way that flashing light won't come on until 7,000 RPMs, which is really high, and generally you're not going to go through and set it that high. So I hope that information helps telling how to go through and actually set up your different flashing, your indicator, to go through and change gears. Again, we just change it to 7,000 RPMs. You can go through and change it to 7,200. I think if you actually keep clicking through there, it goes all the way up to like 10,000, but I don't know why it goes up to that high on there. So, Oleg, I hope that information helps. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything, just let me know. Thanks, guys.